So one of the biggest risks to a road worker when working in the highways is overhead structures. Our main objective for this product was trying to remove that risk completely. So what we did, we came up with the idea of a wearable vest. From a product perspective, it breaks down to a couple of core functions. The wearable itself, so it's the vest that you put on top of your PPE, and in there we've designed what we could refer to as the controller unit. And what's been interesting actually, since working with Avnet and Microsoft, we've now put sensors like gyroscopes, we've even put flash memory and all sorts of stuff in there. That's gone from something that just enables a flashing jacket to actually starting to monitor people's behaviour. So this base unit goes inside a blue cone. This really acts as our hub. It talks back to our back office solution, which is Microsoft Azure, and all the data that we're collecting on this device here will eventually end up back in here and then get synced into our back office solution. From the original inception to the product that I have right here, it's taken literally 6 months. The pace of that has been really, really quick, and I think the main reason why we've been able to do that is that we have some great partnerships with some leading edge, innovative companies that we've been working with. Avnet's IoT history and background and maturity in that space was really one of the selling points for me to go and have a conversation with them.
The great thing about our engagement with Carnell was at a very early stage, and that allowed us to really bring to bear our full IoT knowledge and understanding of how to deliver projects from proof of value into mass production. So we were able to help and steer and guide Carnell and to ask them some challenging questions about what they really must have the product do against perhaps what they might like the product to do to realise the first real commercial milestone, which is that proof of value. And that's where we delivered value to Carnell and the beauty of engaging with them at this early stage.
When we first heard about the Carnell solution, we were so excited by it. It was simple, but it absolutely did the job. Microsoft and Avnet have had a strategic partnership for many years, and that's been traditionally based on the hardware and Windows licensing business. But in the last few years, we've been leveraging that relationship to change the conversation with Avnet's customers to talk about IoT-led business transformation, and we've been working together to deliver truly innovative solutions for the partners and customers that Avnet have.
Another of the ways we were able to help Carnell was to advise them on how best to structure their data inside IoT Hub, particularly as their business evolves and they want to look to things like artificial intelligence and machine learning.
We were already using Microsoft Azure to help develop this product, so all our data and applications we were building were sitting on Microsoft Azure.
The Microsoft Azure platform allows our customers and partners to build highly secure and massively scalable IoT solutions with a great combination of intelligent edge and intelligent cloud. And what we tried to do was come at it from the perspective of how the users would interact with it. Think about those end users, think about their experience, think about the value that they were going to get from the solution, and then also think about the data that was being captured. So what other insights can we get from that data? How could we monetize that data? And how could Carnell then use that data to give rich insights to their customers as well?
It's brilliant really. We couldn't ask for anything more. We're really, really happy with that relationship.